Discord CEO Jason Citron steps down to be replaced by former president of King, also known as like the guys who made Candy Crush, ahead of potential IPO. On April 23rd, Discord CEO and co-founder, the person that I just mentioned, uploaded a post to Discord's blog entitled "Passing the Torch." Citron goes on to share that they have hired a new CEO, Human Sakini. That's a pretty sick first name.
Definitely not an AI with a name like that.
Yeah. And that Citron will be stepping down to a board and advisory position within Discord. Sakini's previous roles include vice chairman at Activision Blizzard, as well as president of King Digital Entertainment, makers of Candy Crush. Discord's other co-founder, Stanislav Vishnevsky, almost, is continuing his role as chief technology officer. This change comes amid media reports that Discord met with investment bankers to discuss a possible initial public offering as soon as this year. A Discord spokesperson told CNBC in a statement that it does, in quotes, not comment on rumors or speculation, and that
I
it
feel
is
like
focused
Discord has
on
commented on a lot of rumors and speculation over the years, but sure.
Yeah, and it is focused on delivering the best possible experience to our users and building a strong, sustainable business. To me, honestly, that is just like, yes, we're doing it. But anyways, Discord currently has 200 million global monthly active users, playing a combined 1.5 billion hours of games each month while on the platform.
All right, discussion question. What are we going to switch to from Discord?
There's really...
It will almost certainly enshittify.
I still use TeamSpeak every once in a while.
Mumble, anyone?
We could go back. The old guards are largely still there, which is kind of weird, actually.
Like Mumble still exists?
I'm pretty sure Mumble still exists. I think Ventrilo still exists. I know TeamSpeak still
Mumble
exists.
Mumble totally still exists.
Yeah.
Dude, when did they get... When was the last version? Stable version. Show me a date. Show me a date on this. What? Okay, here we go. Dude, December 8th, 2024. That wasn't even that long ago.
Yeah. Vent, look.
45 commits since this release. Dude.
Look.
Ventrilo is totally still a thing. That Windows logo, though. Good
it's amazing.
Lord. That is incredible.
TeamSpeak still around. Look, they have a Among Us meme. They're still around.
How timely and relevant.
Yeah. TeamSpeak's Twitter just memes about how, like, Discord will go down for a second and they'll be like, finally, users! So they're like making self-owned jokes and stuff. But, yeah, they're still a thing.
What in crapification would it take for you to stop using Discord?
People would need to leave it. I feel next to no alignment at all with Discord. I would be happy to switch to TeamSpeak tomorrow.
Would you consider switching to just Steam? Like Steam has one of the big reasons that everyone got off of Steam, because everyone used it. As their like gaming social network. Okay, I haven't tried it because
it sucked. I don't know if it still does.
Right. So they didn't have it, and then it sucked. Would we just go back to Steam? Apparently Steam Voice is really good now, and then the next person who replied said it's kind of trash. So
I wonder when the last time they used it, though, if they think that it's trash.
Well, like Discord is more than just games. Yeah, I mean, we use Discord just to like chat about things that are not just games.
Steam is also more than just games.
Steam's mobile app, not amazing. Not amazing. That's definitely an advantage for Discord. Not that I ever get a notification when you message me, but sure, whatever.
I got a notification that you messaged me, I think yesterday, this morning.
Cool.
I was like,
wow, he's ignoring me. I'm unfriended. Turns out Discord unfriended me.
I can't see my podcasts moving their communities into Steam. Yeah, sure. I don't know. It's
But I mean, Discord had that same.
Yeah,
Discord had that same perception. Like, if you have a good product, people used Skype for gaming, for crying out loud. Skype did not have a gaming brand back then. I think people will use a good product for whatever it's good for, regardless of the branding.
Modern TeamSpeak also has like the chat and picture and stuff sharing features that Discord has.
Does it do the streaming thing that Discord does, where you can like screen stream and stuff?
I don't know on that.
No, we're not using Yahoo Chat waffle with syrup.
Yeah, I'm not sure on the screen sharing thing. And Discord's pushing that hard. I don't know why. I haven't really been able to figure that
out. Maybe they are... Maybe... Yeah, what would they be doing with that?
In TeamSpeak communities, you can stream, but you have to pay for them, and server files aren't public yet? You mean server files to like self-host the streaming stuff? Is that what you're saying? I'm not sure what that person means.
Cool.
On my self-hosted server, I cannot screen share. Okay, yeah. So self-hosted you can't, but theirs you can, which
okay,
kind of makes sense.
So yeah, but what would it take? Basically, well, what do you think it would take for any of your like gaming buddies to get off of Discord? Like a major privacy incident, or like a data collection change in the terms of service, or just generally it getting a little less reliable? Like what's the enshittification that would drive people off of Discord if they go IPO and just kind of suck now? Because like Reddit, it doesn't seem to have mattered. They went IPO, they antagonized their users, everybody's still on Reddit. People seem to have completely forgotten that they were mad.
Yeah, people don't switch platforms
at
anymore. Reddit. Like it's a weird thing. I mean, we talked about this We've talked about this a few times on WAN Show, how like YouTube, Reddit, all these things, they feel extremely rooted now. Like this is how the internet has like figured itself out. These are the sites that just will stay for whatever reason. We used to go through social media platforms every couple of years, and now things just stay.
No matter how bad they are, It seems like they just stick around.
Yeah, people just don't switch because we seem to have like critical mass or something. I'm not sure. So I think a big part of the problem would be switching everyone. And I don't think a privacy incident, almost no matter how big, is going to switch everyone. Because as much as people scream about it, I think most people unfortunately just don't care.
Okay, well...
I think the audio quality on TeamSpeak is fantastic. I think there's other things about it that are great.